typing, let's eliminate some of those by making data entry simpler and easier. In column A, we've got a list here on this worksheet. It's called multiple cell and auto entries. Some of these city names will repeat. Imagine you've got a sheet of paper in front of you with a list of the various cities here. Eventually, we'll have some ID numbers associated with them. But in these first two cells right here, and also down in row 6, now how do we highlight these ahead of time? If we can do that, then we can make a single entry and cover all these repeating entries. So if you hold down the control key, I'm going to click cell A6, and also imagine that sheet of paper I'm looking at. The same city is going to be in rows 11 and 12. So again, the control key is being held down as I highlight these cells. All of these are for the city of Chicago, so I'll type Chicago. But rather than typing that and then copying it to the other locations, I'll simply press not Enter, but Control Enter. That saves me some time and it eliminates that drudgery of repeating, and that's where